Welcome to another video of HTML5 tutorial series. In this video, we will learn how to add new element in HTML page. In this lesson, we will see header, footer, nav, section. Previously, we used div tag for the same. So let us start. First, we add header element. So we just type header and also put some tags between them. So it's a tutorial heading, and close. And second, we put nav element. In the nav, we just use ULLI list tag. So for that, we use ULLI. In the li, we just put home, and I just copy and paste it 2 times to create another field. So in that, I just put about and contact. Okay. Now we use section element in that area. For section element, we just type section and put add to tag for adding body's title and paragraph. We I just take lorem ipsum tags for that area for the paragraph. We're going to add footer area. So first we just use footer element. So type footer and add the content between them. Copyright, all right reserved. Okay, and use a style clear both. Okay, so now save the content. Now we added style into the style area. So we just write down style and use header and add the style related to that. Use the nav and add the style related to nav. Now we add a style for this section and add a style related to that. And at the end we just using footer and adding a style related to that. Now save the content and refresh it, and look, it will display. I need your focus on newly added element like header, footer, nav, section. They are all semantic element. Semantic elements are those that clearly describe their meaning in human and machine readability way. Previously we used div and span for the same use, but they are non-semantic. So now the time is changing and we use semantic element